differentiate cos cube x. So we begin, we can put here solution. All right, so we say y is equal to cos cube x, and which is the same thing as cos x all raised to the power 3. So this is my inner portion, cos x. So we go first by the chain rule. Let u be equal to this inner portion here. Let u be equal to cos x, and which implies that du by dx simply gonna be, when I differentiate cos x, I simply get negative sine x. Beautiful. And then because this is my u, I took this to be u, you discover that y now becomes equal to u to the power 3. This is u, so y becomes equal to u cubed, and which implies that if I differentiate y with respect to u, I'm simply gonna get, if I differentiate u cubed, I bring down this 3 and subtract 1. So I'm simply going to get 3u, 3 minus 1 is 2. So that gives me 3u squared, 3 minus 1 here is 2. Okay, beautiful. Then we can now state the chain rule. Dy by dx is simply equal to dy by du, now multiplied by du by dx, and which is going to be equal to, what is my dy by du? Look at it here. It is 3u squared. So we have 3u squared. Now multiplied by du by dx. Where is my du by dx? Is right here, right over here. So it's just negative sine x multiplied by negative sine x. Beautiful. So, and then this now becomes equal to, notice that this negative can come right outside. So we have negative 3 u squared sine x. Okay. And then at the end of the day, you realize that u was taken to be cos x right up here. You can come up here. You see that u was taken to be cos x, so I'm going to, in place of u, I'll put back cos x. In place of u, I'll put back cos x, so which now gives me minus 3 cos x, all squared because of the squared here, and then sine of x. And at the end of the day, this 2 comes upon on top of the cos, which simply becomes negative 3 cos squared x, then sine of x. Beautiful. So this is what the chain rule gives us, this answer. Now what about the outside inside rule and the formula? We look at others, because calculus is all about rules and regulations. So let's look at 1 or 2 rules to differentiate this even faster. D by dx of cosine to the power n x, any power at all, n is simply going to be equal to, you bring down, you take negative of this power, negative n, negative of this power, then cosine n minus 1, you reduce that power by 1 x, then all you need to do after that is to multiply by sine x, because when I differentiate cos x, I get negative sine x. So this negative and this sine x, that's the derivative of cos x. Okay, perfect. So what would I have done if I were differentiating with respect to x? Cos cube x, this is simply going to be equal to, I'll take negative, because it is cos, I'm taking negative 3. Cos 3 minus 1 is 2. And then x, and then I now multiply by sine x. So you see that this answer tallies with this one. And then we could have also used the outside-inside rule to differentiate with respect to x. Cos cube x is the same thing like differentiating with respect to x, cos x or cube. So this is the inside portion. So what I'm going to do, I'll simply carry 3 and bring down. I bring down 3. I repeat this inside portion again. I have cos x, and then I take 3 minus 1, which is 2, then multiplied by the derivative of the inside portion, which is cos x. If I differentiate cos x, I simply get negative sine x. So at the end of the day, I simply get, this negative comes outside. I have negative 3 cos this 2 here, cos squared x, then multiplied by sine x. So whichever way you are using, either you went through the chain rule, or you are going through the given formula, or you are making use of the outside inside rule, the 3 of them would always give you the same answer. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cerp TV. Please, in case you have not subscribed to us, do well to subscribe. And when you do, make sure you click on the notification bell. That way you get to know whenever we drop a new video. Do have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.